Experience an extraordinary modern estate set on nearly 40 acres of rolling hills, private trails, and breathtaking natural surroundings. Designed by acclaimed Toronto architect Richard Wengle, this extraordinary custom-built estate features over 5,400 square feet of refined single-level living with an uncompromised focus on craftsmanship, privacy, and connection to nature. A long private driveway framed by stone pillars and wrought iron gates leads to the property and features a large spring-fed pond, professional landscaping, including a custom water feature, and direct access to the Hamilton-Brantford Rail Trail. Located just minutes from downtown Ancaster and Dundas, the Hamilton Golf and Country Club, with easy access to the highway, McMaster, and all of the area's hospitals. This is truly a rare opportunity to own one of the area's most remarkable luxury estates here in the hamlet of Mineral Springs. Clean architectural lines, soaring ceilings, and expansive walls of glass create a dramatic yet inviting living environment filled with natural light and panoramic views. Premium features include radiant heated limestone and custom oak hardwood flooring throughout. The great room is truly spectacular, featuring a massive stone wood-burning fireplace, 22-foot cupola, and seamless sightlines to the natural surrounding. The gourmet eat-in kitchen was designed for everyday living and entertaining, complete with premium appliances by Thermador, Wolf, and Sub-Zero. There's a walk-in pantry and servery that leads to the formal dining area with a gas fireplace. Designed for exceptional indoor-outdoor living, the home features an outdoor courtyard with a wood-burning fireplace, overhead heaters, and integrated sound, an incredible space for entertaining. Private study features built-in cabinetry with a gas fireplace and a 3-piece bathroom, a wonderful space for working, relaxing, or to be used as a 4th bedroom suite. Primary suite offers a true spa-inspired retreat with its own wood-burning fireplace and a luxurious ensuite, including a cedar sauna and a stone outdoor shower surrounded by nature. The separate bedroom wing offers 2 additional private suites, each complete with their own patio and ensuite bath, perfect for family or guests. The raised height walkout basement features a full bathroom and a spectacular fitness area with breathtaking views. Additional features of the home include geothermal heating and cooling, a 4-zone HVAC system, backup generator, and an on-site private cell tower for strong connectivity throughout the property. I'm Kevin Gerard with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. If you have any questions or if you'd like to arrange for a private tour, please don't hesitate to call. Thank you.